The humanoid robotics race is no longer science fiction, it's corporate strategy. Around the world, major tech players are placing their bets on the future of embodied intelligence. Hyundai owns Boston Dynamics, pushing the boundaries of agility and mobility. Nvidia is laying the simulation and compute foundation for robotic brains with Omniverse and Isaac Sim. OpenAI collaborated with Figure AI to give humanoids large language model capabilities. Mercedes-Benz is testing Apptronik's Apollo robots inside its manufacturing plants. And now, a new alliance has entered the ring, Huawei and UBTECH. This partnership doesn't just represent another investment. It marks a pivotal moment in China's ambition to lead the humanoid robotics sector. With the May 2025 announcement, Huawei and UBTECH are joining forces to bring humanoid robots out of the lab and into the real world, both in industry and at home. Huawei and UBTECH's strategic partnership. On May 12, 2025, Huawei Technologies and UBTECH Robotics signed a significant cooperation agreement in Shenzhen, their mutual home base. The goal: to accelerate the deployment of humanoid robots across China's industrial and domestic landscape. The agreement outlines plans to co-develop smart factories staffed with humanoid robots and build both bipedal and wheeled service robots tailored for household use. But it's not just about building robots, it's about building the infrastructure to support them. Huawei is establishing an innovation center dedicated to embodied intelligence, a fusion of cognitive AI and physical robotics. This center will tap into Huawei's vast portfolio, its Ascend and Kunpeng chips, Huawei Cloud Services, large AI models, and deep R&D experience. Huawei's expanding robotics footprint is no coincidence. Since late 2024, the company has launched a global innovation center, partnered with 16 robotics firms, and even acquired a stake in Spirit AI. At the 2025 Mobile World Congress, Huawei unveiled the world's first 5G-powered humanoid robot, another clear signal of intent. This alliance with UBTECH is Huawei's boldest step yet. Meet UBTECH, China's humanoid contender. UBTECH Robotics isn't a newcomer to the robotics game. Founded in 2012 by Zhu Jian, the Shenzhen-based company has been pushing the boundaries of humanoid development for over a decade. From grabbing global headlines with over 1,300 synchronized dancing robots, earning a Guinness World Record in 2018, to deploying autonomous UV disinfection robots during the COVID-19 pandemic, UBTECH has built a reputation for bold innovation and practical deployment. In December 2023, UBTECH went public on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, raising $1 billion Hong Kong dollars. That funding has fueled its expansion into a full-stack robotics ecosystem, centered around its proprietary Robot Operating System Application Framework, ROSA. This platform allows UBTECH to control hardware, software, and AI integration end-to-end, an advantage very few robotics companies possess. With over 2,450 robotics and AI-related patents, UBTECH is not just iterating on existing technology, it's setting the pace in China's rapidly growing humanoid sector. Two flagship models stand out. First, the Walker S1, UBTECH's bipedal humanoid robot, is built for smart service tasks. It boasts smooth locomotion, dexterous manipulation, and an intelligent perception system. Designed for complex environments like smart homes or customer-facing retail spaces, Walker S1 exemplifies where form meets function in human-robot interaction. Second, the Walker C, also known as the UBTECH Humanoid Service Robot, is engineered for flexibility. It offers a balance between mobility and efficiency. It's a natural fit for semi-structured spaces like offices, care facilities, and logistics environments, where speed and adaptability are key. Both robots reflect UBTECH's philosophy. Humanoids should not just walk and talk, they should work. And with Huawei's cloud computing and AI muscle, these robots are poised to become more than just novelty machines. They could become vital assistants in daily life and business. But what truly sets UBTECH apart is its implementation of swarm intelligence. Rather than treating each robot as a standalone unit, UBTECH's swarm-based factory automation allows groups of humanoids to operate as a collective system, much like ant colonies or flocks of birds. This decentralized intelligence enables robots to distribute tasks dynamically and fill in for one another, make real-time decisions without waiting on central commands, adapt to new environments as a unified learning system, minimize operational downtime through collective resilience. In practical terms, this means UBTECH's robots can work together in factories, warehouses, and even hospitals with far greater efficiency, flexibility, and fault tolerance. Swarm robotics could be a game changer, not just for UBTECH, but for the entire automation industry. And now, with Huawei's infrastructure and AI capabilities backing it, UBTECH is moving from isolated deployments to nationwide and potentially global scale. The company's ambition is clear: to lead the world in humanoid robotics, not just in technology, but in real-world impact. Why this partnership matters? The partnership between Huawei and UBTECH comes at a time of rapid growth in China's robotics sector. According to LeadRobot, the country's humanoid robotics market is projected to hit 5.3 billion yen, about $732 million in 2025, double that of the previous year. 6 of China's top 11 humanoid robot firms, including Unitree and AGIBot, are already in mass production mode. UBTECH's collaboration with Huawei could give it a technological and commercial edge. Beyond the domestic market, this partnership signals China's desire to compete globally. Huawei, already a powerhouse in telecom and AI infrastructure, sees robotics as the next strategic frontier. By combining its cloud, chip, and AI stack with UBTECH's robotic hardware and integration expertise, China is building a full-stack ecosystem for embodied intelligence. From smart homes to smart factories, from elder care to retail, the Huawei UBTECH alliance is designed to tackle real-world problems with humanoid solutions. The bigger picture: robots as the next computing platform. As the robotics landscape evolves, a new paradigm is emerging: robots as the next computing platform. Just as smartphones became the hub for mobile computing, humanoids are poised to become the interface between the digital and physical worlds. Huawei, with its AI chips and cloud infrastructure, wants to power that platform. UBTECH wants to build it. And this partnership could redefine what robots are capable of, not just in China, but everywhere. So, while companies in the West pour billions into robotics labs, Huawei and UBTECH are bringing robots to the floor, factory floor, living room floor, and everywhere in between. The age of humanoids isn't coming. It's already here. The future of robotics is no longer distant. As we witness this surge of investment and innovation, from Boston Dynamics' dynamic leaps to Tesla's Optimus, from Nvidia's simulated minds to Huawei's embodied intelligence, the message is clear: humanoid robots are not just experimental tech anymore. They are strategic assets. Huawei and UBTECH's partnership isn't just about building smarter machines. It's about reshaping how we live, work, and interact with technology. It's a declaration that China intends to lead, not follow, in the humanoid robotics era. Whether these robots end up serving in homes, assembling products in factories, or assisting the elderly, one thing is certain: the race to create the perfect humanoid is accelerating. And with the backing of tech giants like Huawei, companies like UBTECH are no longer building robots for tomorrow. They are building them for today. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in how humanoid robots are reshaping industries around the world, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of robotics.